Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're gonna have part 2 of lesson 6, graphing lines. So, you now know that we can use the slope formula to find the slope m of a line that goes through 2 points x sub 1 and y sub 1 and x sub 2 y sub 2. Here the form, it gives me here m equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which means the vertical change over the horizontal change. Okay, and I have here it's equal to the rise over the run. Okay, we have covered also, we have known that the slope intercept form of an equation is used when we know slope m and the slope and the y-intercept b. And the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. Here is the formula. Okay, here is the formula. I have here y equal mx plus b. M, the slope. Okay, and I have here x and I have here b here is what? Here b, y-intercept b, and the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. We have taken also in the last lesson, we have taken also here the point slope form of an equation can help us find any point on the line as xy by using a known point x sub 1 y sub 1 and the slope of that line. Here is the formula. I have here, this is called point slope form. I have here y minus y sub 1 equals to m times x minus x sub 1. Okay, as m here is the slope and here y and x any points, and here the known points y sub 1 x sub 1. Okay, returning back to the book, I have here page 191, graphing lines, graph each line. So I have here for the first example y equal 3 over 2x plus 3. The equation is given in slope-intercept form. Okay, I now know that this one, it's what? It's the equation of slope-intercept form. And you know it's written like this: y equals to m, the slope, x plus b. Do you remember this? Okay. So the equation is given in slope-intercept form with a slope of what? What do you think? Here m is, yes, 3 over 2. Here m is 3 over 2. This is the slope. And the y-intercept of what? Here the y-intercept of 3. This is the y-intercept. Okay? And we can call it b. This is the y-intercept and we can call it b. Okay, so when he gives me the y-intercept is 3, that I should know that I have points here 0 3. Yes, so plot the point 0 3. This is the second step. So I'm going to have my graph now and plot the point. Okay, and I'm going to plot the point. The first point I should put it is 0, here 3. So this is my point. This is my point. Okay, so this is my point 0 and 3, this one. Okay, after plotting the point 0 and 3, what should I do? Then rise 3. Okay, why did you say rise? We have here, as you see, the slope. It's what's the meaning of the slope? Rise over run. Here rise and here run. Okay, so rise 3. From this point that I draw, rise 3. Okay, so go. Here is the rise, as you see, 3. And after rising 3, what should I do? Run 2. Okay, to the right. Okay, run 2 to the right. So I write here my point. Okay, I plot here my next point. I have here to draw, this is the third step, draw a line containing these 2 points. Okay, draw this line. Okay. Okay, dear students, B, Exercise B. I have here a y plus 3 equals to negative 2 times x minus 1. The equation here is given in point slope form with slope of negative 2. Okay, I'll show you now the form first. Okay, we can graph the equation of the line y plus 3 equals to negative 2 times x minus 1. This is the form, point slope form. I should know how to write the point slope form very well, okay? Y minus, it's very easy. Y minus y sub 1 equals to m times x minus x sub 1. So here m is the slope, okay? And I have here the coordinates of the points on the line, okay? Y sub 1, x sub 1. Okay, let's see how to solve for this one. I have here this equation is given in point slope form, yeah, with a slope of, what do you think here? M is what? As you see, if we substitute the numbers for the rule, I have here m is negative 2. This is m. Okay, and I will write this for you to make it easier, x minus x sub 1. Okay, and I have in this space I have y minus y sub 1. Okay, y, is it clear? Y minus y sub 1. Okay, so okay, I want to make it more clear for you like this. Okay, so after this y minus, okay, y sub 1. Okay, so after this, I should now know the numbers. It's easy to know the numbers now. Okay, when I say here again, y, okay, minus, we have here y sub 1 equals m, okay, open brackets. I have here x minus x sub 1, right? Okay, it's easy now to know. To know what? We have through points what? I have here x sub 1. I want x sub 1. Where is x sub 1? X sub 1, this one. Okay, this one. Minus 1. Minus x sub 1. Then x sub 1 is 1. Excellent. Okay, I want to know now y sub 1. It's very easy. Y sub 1. This is y sub 1. Okay, this is y sub 1. And I have here positive. Okay, but I want here, and here the rule is with negative. Okay, what should I do? I should write 3 with its negative. Okay, then take the negative with you, cause negative, okay, and negative gives you what? Gives you positive. So don't forget to take the negative with you. So here the point is I have here 1 and negative 3. Our y sub 1 is negative 3y because the point slope form of an equation begins with y minus y sub 1, and our equation has y plus y sub 1, so as y plus 3. So I have taken what, my dear students? Very easy. I have taken the negative 3, as when I say my here y minus negative 3 gives me what? Y plus 3. Okay, returning back to the book. So when the slope is negative 2, this means that it's negative 2 over 1, of course. So I have here rise over run, and through the point, okay, through which points? Through the points 1 and negative 3. Okay, the points that I have known from the rule. Okay, plot the points 1 and negative. This is the steps I should follow. Plot the point 1, negative 3, 1, okay, 1 here, okay, here, negative 3, this one. So this is the first point, 1 and negative 3. And then rise negative 2. Rise negative 2, okay, to go here negative 2. Okay, okay, negative 2. After this, run 1, negative 2, rise negative 2 to go like this, okay, by negative 2. Okay, is it obvious here? Okay, is it clear? Okay, then can you see this point now? Okay, this is the rising of negative 2. Okay, negative 2 go down, of course, negative 2. Then what? Then run 1. Run 1. So I'll run positive 1. to go there. So this is the second point. So then draw what? Draw the line containing 2 points. Okay? Okay. And I have -2 here. Don't forget that you're going to draw a line to the left. Okay. Is it easy now? Okay. I have here x equal 3. Graph a line for x equal 3. When it's said here x equal 3, the equation is given in the form of what? Vertical line. Yes, vertical line with an x-intercept for here 3. So x equal 3, I have points 3 and 0. Okay, draw, okay, plot here the order pairs for 3 and 0. 3, okay, go 3 on x-axis, then 0, 0 that I should here put here the point. Can you see it? Okay, the purple one, 3 and 0. Then the equation tells you that the x-coordinate of every point on a line is 3. I have here, it's 3 here for every point on the line. Okay, for x. Okay, here for x, it's a 3. Here for x, do you understand me? For x is 3. 3, forever 3. Okay, okay. And here also down for x. I'm not talking about y. Okay, draw the vertical line through 3 and 0. Okay, through what? Through this point. Okay, this is the vertical line that I draw. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, here for the last example, I have here the equation tells us that the x-coordinate of every point on the line is 3. Okay, so if here y points change it, the x remains the same. The x points will be the same. Okay, so here 3 and 0. 3 and 1, 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 4, and so on. 3 and -1, 3 and -2, 3 and -3, and so on. Okay, dear students, by that we have covered this part of the lesson. Okay, see you on part 3 of this lesson.